Hi guys, welcome to Desi Boy's Kitchen. You must be thinking what I'm doing today with so much mint. My neighbor Dippy, she came today and she dropped me so much mint. So I'm not gonna put it to waste. I'm gonna make quite a few dishes with this mint. But do you know that mint is really good? It helps to fight with any tummy problems. It helps to fight viruses. You know, if you got cold or flu, if you got a bit of a mint, it clears it up. And if you got really bad headache, you've been in a lot of pollution, have a bit of a mint, right? Oh, my alarm's going on. Have a bit of mint, right? And that clears your headaches, right? And it's very good for your immune system, right? And if you want to like sort of lose weight, have a mint tea in the morning, right? So I'm gonna make few dishes, right, with this mint. I'm gonna put all this mint into a good cause. So if you have not already subscribed my videos, subscribe it, because I will be putting on quite a few videos about mint, how to make a mint useful. As I promised, I'm gonna make a few dishes with the mint, and let me show you what I'm doing today. I've taken some new potatoes, right, and a good handful of mint, taken some bay leaves, a couple of chilies, clove. I've taken some coriander seeds and a cumin seeds, right? Normally the chili, garlic and ginger and some crushed onion. Instead I've taken about two medium-sized onions, right? So what is already getting boiled, so this is a trick to it, right? So what you need to do is you need to poke your potatoes, because normally what happens is the salt doesn't go into potatoes. So poke them and keep them adding in the boiled water. I've poked all the potatoes and they are boiling. We're only gonna half boil them, guys. Only remember, half boil them, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna add a good 1 teaspoon of salt in it, because I want salt to goes into it. And so let this boil. What we're gonna do is our cumin seeds and coriander seeds, we're gonna just break them a little bit. So I'm gonna move this to a back burner and bring our pot front. As you know, I don't normally put so much oil in it, so what I'm gonna do is I'm only gonna put 2 tablespoons, right? So that goes in there. First we're gonna add our ground spices in here. As I explained to you, the mint is really good for the digestion, or if you get any stomach issues, if you've got sickness and diarrhea, if you've got a headache, it's really good. If you got flu, right, a bit of a mint would do really well to fight with the flu or virus. So guys, it's really good, right? So we're gonna add these, and we're gonna add our chilies and our bay leaves, yeah? Okay, so it's doing quite well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our onions. 1, 2, 3, exactly 4 tablespoons, yeah? Those in. I'm gonna simmer these. We're just gonna add 1 teaspoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 teaspoon of green chilies, yeah? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simmer my gas while this is getting caramelized. So I'm going to chop my mint, yeah, which has already been washed. I've chopped all my mint, look at that. It's like sort of little pieces, look at that. So what we're gonna do is, our onions are nearly caramelized, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of haldi, which is turmeric. We're gonna this is done. What we're gonna do, we're gonna check on our potatoes. So let's have a look. Just take one out. Cut it from the middle. Right. If it's easily cut, so this is your done, right? We don't want it too soggy, guys. So this is done. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna drain this water and add into it, right? Right, this is done. So I'm gonna add my potatoes in them. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of water and I'm going to put my lid on the top. I'm just going to add slightly little water. So you get a bit of a gravy as well. I'm going to simmer my gas and leave it for 5 minutes, yeah? It's been 5 minutes. Let's have a look. It's sizzling quite nicely. So I'm going to add my mint into it. I'm going to put up high flame. Mint gets cooked very, very quickly, guys. So at this stage you can always check the salt, because in potatoes you normally put a lot of salt in because potatoes takes a lot of salt. So I'm just going to try it. For me it's fine, but if you feel you need to put salt in, you can always add a bit more salt in. So what I'm going to do is, at this stage I'm going to cut a lemon. Because I know a good sized lemon, yeah? So I'm going to add a lemon in it. That will taste awesome, trust me guys. You will be passing on this recipe to your kids, your grandkids. It's so great, this is, right? And it took me a long time to master this recipe, yeah? I'm just going to add a bit of garam masala, just a half a teaspoon, right? We don't want to overpower it with the masala, yeah? So all you can do is just break one potato. If it's easily break, that means it's done. If it's not easily break, you can always put a little bit of water and leave it 5 minutes on the sim gas. So for me, this is done. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to put a lid on it and leave this for a good 10 minutes to rest, because it's going to soak all the spices and it's going to taste really, really good, guys. Yeah, I'll see you. We'll taste it in 10 minutes and see how it tastes. Right, guys? I'll see you in a bit. It's been 10 minutes. Let's have a look. Wow. Looks really, really nice. Look at that, guys. How beautiful it looks. So we're gonna taste it. Wow, look at that. It's really, really nice. A beautiful minty taste, you know. It's been bind with all your ground spices, your ginger, your garlic, your cumin seeds, right? It tastes amazing, guys, right? And if you look at it, right, it's not fattening at all. There's no oil in it. We only put 2 tablespoons of oil, right? Because I like to promote healthy eatings. So today's shout out goes to Dippy Basra and Mr. and Mrs. Basra from Leicester, Mamta and Monica from Chandigarh. So guys, if you want me to give you a shout out, please DM me on Desi Boy Kitchen and I will give you a shout out in my next video. Please don't forget to share and subscribe and like my videos, guys, and I will see you soon with the next minty recipe, which is going to be a mint chutney, and I am going to surprise you with another mint recipe, right? So guys, stay tuned to watch my next videos and see you soon. Bye for now.